Hey everybody, my name is Thomas Love, but you already knew that. I just did the unboxing and with all the stuff, but I forgot to turn on my microphone, so we're doing it again. So I put everything back in, and we'll just do a regular unboxing, even though it's not an official unboxing. I'll probably have the video next there. It does come out. You do have all kinds of paperwork in here. See. It looks like you get two types of plugs. This one looks like a Apple, and then another one. They look like there are two in there. I think there are two. All right, in here you get a hand thing. You do get a USB Type-C plug and more paperwork, which we don't really need. Box and some heap dry stuff. Oh, there's actually another. Oh, sure, there's something else in here. Oh, so there's the Apple. Make sure I'm focusing. Yeah, so here's the one for the Apple, and here's the one for, it looks like micro USB, but or micro USB. Well, we'll figure that one out. And this one has USB-C, the lanyard, and this is really what you wanted to see. All right. It does have a couple stickers for your screen to record. I'm going to take that off in a minute, but it does look like the drone minus the propellers. But we're going to go figure that out. All right, hold on one second.